Mr. Seagull. Mr. McSeagull's 100 subscriber special. Facts about various birds.
Wow, whizzing wow. I know I should not be saying that, because this is not a wow whizzing wow crazy bird video. But it is a special video. A special video indeed, because it is to celebrate this channel getting 100 subscribers. I know, it is a huge milestone, which is why I've got a fact about various bird video to celebrate. I would just like to say thank you for everyone supporting the channel. Alright, let's get started. I hope you enjoy. Fact number 1. Seagulls, or officially known as gulls, can eat almost anything edible. They are omnivores and are often seen eating human food, bits of rubbish, and their natural diet, like worms and fish. They are opportunistic birds, which means they'll just see anything they can find thinks it's safe to eat, and they'll just eat it. Like what the seagull is eating now. It appears to be rubbish. Fact number 2. Robins often stay in an area year-round, which means they do not migrate. They are also known for singing all the time. They do like to defend their territory as well. Fact number 3. Mallard ducks can fly quite fast, often around 55 miles an hour. They can be found near lakes, rivers, and ponds. They are known to be quite adaptive and are famous for their quacking sound. Fact number 4. Canada geese populations are rapidly increasing in certain areas. They are native to North America and were introduced to the UK in the 17th century. Fact number 5. Mute swans are quite heavy and are one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. Males tend to be larger, often weighing around 11 to 12 kilograms, whilst females often weigh around 9 kilograms. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the facts about various birds video. I look forward to making more videos about birds in the future. I once again would like to thank everyone for supporting the channel and subscribing. Until the next video, bye!